Breathe in, step out. Heart sets the pace now. It's only success had a shape and a price. A house on a hill, chrome wheels, neon lights. Sails wake up when I move my feet. Blood runs fast to a steady beat. Every scar knows what to do. I'm not broken, I'm breaking through. I chased all the shadows reflected in glass, running so fast, forgetting to ask. Why does the silence still call my name? Slow burn, strong frame. Why does the mirror look back the same? Every step rewrites my name. It's not the house, it's not the car, it's how you walk when you don't know how far. I'm built to repair, not fall apart. Every motion restarts the heart. It's every step when the road gets real. When you stop fighting, what do you feel? They say it's age when strength is gone, but that's a myth. I'm still upgrading on. Dark and light in the same heartbeat. Stress bends me, but I respond. That's where life finally feels complete. I grow back sharper, leaner, strong. You don't have to know, you don't have to control. Just let it flow, let it flow. I try to outrun every crack in my skin, hit all the questions I carry within. Muscle talks and quiet fire, tendons learn what they require. Pain is data, not a threat. I adapt and I reset, but every scar had a story to tell. Heaven's not heaven without a little hell. I stopped pretending I'm only strong. Found my truth where I don't belong. Load it right, give it time. This machine was built to climb. It's not the house, it's not the car, it's how you stand when you're falling apart. I'm built to repair, not fall apart. Every motion restarts the heart. It's every breath when you face to face with the darker side you used to eat. They say it's age when strength is gone, but that's a myth. I'm still upgrading on. Dark and light in the same heartbeat. That's when life finally feels complete. Stress bends me, but I respond. I grow back sharper, leaner, strong. They told me time is a one-way slide, but the body rewrites when you train it right. Loaded, blessed out feedback drills, generate to regenerate skills. I try to outrun every crack in my skin. Now I lean in, let the hidden begin. System listens, nerves comply. Stress is just a golden reply. Not too fast,